When you open up Cricut Design Space to version 7.6 on the desktop, you'll see this What's New box. This made me think that there wasn't much to talk about. They didn't mention the changes to the home screen layout or the community profiles. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor. I'm going to walk you through the update. After you click Done, you'll see the first of what I'm talking about. Instead of the carousel of sales and products at the top, you now have this still image welcoming you and encouraging you. The universal search bar is here like it was before. The destination pages have changed. When they were released in mid-November 2021, they looked like this. Small buttons you could click on with the text of For Beginners, Holiday Ideas, and Everything labels. Now they've added an image to each one and expanded it to include cards, flower shop, mugs, and weddings, while also expanding the upcoming holidays idea here instead of inside the holidays idea tab. The row of tiles showing the projects you've recently worked on has been removed from the home screen. To select one of your projects, you'll click here at the top right where it says My Projects. Featured Images now has two ways to sort. As of the middle of April 2022, the first one is to see the ones that are free until April 20th. The second is staff picks. These will probably change as time passes. You can continue to scroll down to see other themed projects and images. Some of these also have other ways to sort, so look for those options to click on as well. The carousel of ads is down here, so you can still see them, and the community projects. While we're on the topic of community projects, this is the other feature mentioned in the release notes, which I've linked in the description. Here on the home page and in search, projects and images from Cricut community members have this attribution badge showing their icon and name. If you click on the project picture, the project details will open. If you click on the community member's name or icon, it will open up their Cricut profile showing their other projects and images. Prior to this update, it would look like this. Their attribution badge would appear on each image or project, even here in their profile. The attribution badge will still be shown throughout Design Space, but it won't be shown on their profile now, like this. It helps reduce the visual clutter and information that our brains have to sift through. I really like it. Now on to the print and cut changes. Unfortunately, this does not increase the size of the maximum print and cut project. When you click Make It on a project that contains print and cut, the preview screen will appear. We have more control here now. That's where the changes are. Print and cut objects can now be adjusted in the same ways as the other operation types. This will allow you to make better use of the page since you can rotate and reposition objects. If an image is moved to outside the marking, it'll automatically be moved back inside the maximum marking once you stop dragging it. We can move them to other print and cut mats by clicking on the object, then on the three dots, and selecting Move Object. You can even start a new print and cut mat. You'll see that mats that just have cut objects are grayed out so you can't select them when you're trying to move it. The sensor lines resize automatically when you move or hide objects. If you move the object away from the top left corner of the paper, the entire sensor box will move, not just expand. This part of the update will be great for when I cut a vinyl decal out of printable vinyl and then I remove the decal, but it is still an 8.5 by 11 paper. I can still run it through my printer without any problems. The other option you can select when clicking on the three dots is to hide the selected object so it doesn't cut, or in this case, print and cut, but it's still in your project for future use. I was hoping this update would allow me to use the text wrap handles introduced in version 7.5, but so far, no luck. Hopefully it fixed the double objects people were seeing on their print and cut preview screen. If you want to see how to use print and cut, check out this video. And if you're interested in tutorials and future Design Space updates for all the platforms, click on the subscribe button, then click on the bell icon so you're notified when I release new videos every week with occasional bonus videos. Thanks for watching Hank's Maker Mentor. Until next time, bye.